Hey guys, welcome back to the Rough Cuts Garage. Today we're going to be installing a 5-inch stainless exhaust tip on our first gen Cummins. So on this truck, in a previous video, we installed the 4-inch Flo Pro stainless turbo back exhaust with the muffler. So far, really pleased with this system. The main key feature is this flange right here that connects to the turbo. It's one of the better flanges out of the exhaust systems. It's actually a milled piece of metal that's welded on versus just a crimped end to the pipe itself. So a few other key features of this exhaust system is the muffler itself has a pretty good exhaust note. I don't have a resonator on this exhaust, but it came with these torque-tight clamps and they've worked pretty well. I've been able to adjust the system actually as it settles from the truck moving around, so that's been pretty handy instead of crimping it. The last thing I'm going to note that's really nice about this exhaust system is it fits really well. So on the first gen Cummins, a lot of the exhaust systems have an interesting way of going over the rear axle and around the transfer case and transmission. This one here fits very well, and I would highly recommend it for those of you that want to install them on a first gen. Today we're going to be focusing on the exhaust tip. So I picked up a 5-inch stainless exhaust tip, which I'll show in a moment. I've always kind of wanted the tip. I like the look and I like having that polished end to your exhaust that's poking out. So today the plan is to throw on the exhaust tip, and I'll give you a comparison of before and after with some driving footage so that you can be better informed as to what you want if you're acquiring this Flo Pro exhaust system. Okay, so this here is the Flo Pro logo bolt-on polished 304 stainless exhaust tip with the rolled angled cut here on the tip. The reason I like Flo Pro is A, they're built in Canada, and I like things that are built in Canada. I'm Canadian. They make a pretty good product. The exhaust system that I showed you earlier is a very well made exhaust system, fits very well and is very high quality. To complete that system, I want to incorporate a tip on here. It starts off as 4 inches here and expands out to 5 inches, and that should change the exhaust note to make it a deeper sound. So this one here is the clamp-on version, and you can see what they've done is they've welded a nut, a stainless nut on this side, and just a round sort of, it looks like a spacer almost on this side, and then it's got a stainless Allen bolt that goes through both, and that'll crimp it on the end of the exhaust. So I'm going to measure halfway up the tip here to this section. I'd say about a foot exactly. So I'll measure a foot back on this pipe and then mark it. So now we can slide on the exhaust tip. All right, so I think that sums up the install part. Let's take it for a test drive. that there sums up the install of a 5-inch Flo Pro exhaust tip on our first gen Cummins. I hope this video helps you make a decision as to whether you'd be interested in putting a tip on your truck. Thanks again for watching, and we hope to see you next time. Cheers.